What is going on, guys? This is our physics system particle simulation. Takes into account our molecular physics theory. This is a Python project you can do. Python programming. Pause the video and copy the code down. It 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 builds a macro ball, a normal sized ball out of small molecules or particles that act like our molecular physics theory. They have normal physics. One ball, our molecule theory, one ball hits another, and the ball that was hit bounces off like normal physics. And also, a person could be made of a septillion particles or molecules, and it's actually more, I think, but just an example. And if you keep taking away molecules from them, they'll get smaller and smaller, and they'll eventually die. Might be a little bit of a bad example, though. You could just say it's a teddy bear, and if you keep taking molecules away from the teddy bear will get smaller and smaller. That's our molecule theory. In our physics system, we build a full body out of our molecules. A full body out of our molecules. The molecules act like normal physics, like I said, and we just put them together and let the big ball run on its own. It's a little weird though, but because what you're seeing here is the natural effect of what happens, the law of thermodynamics and stuff. They just spread apart right away, immediately. I don't know if it's the law of there's no gravity in here. Thermodynamics. What you are witnessing on screen is a law of thermodynamics. Gaseous diffusion and matter expansion. Down at the particle level layers. Let's run that again. Molecule level layers. Our program is meant for modifying, upgrading, improving, and developing. It's also hardware ready. This is a Python project for beginner and advanced alike. That's it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. So The law of thermodynamics, zero gravity. I'm not sure if there's any gravity in there. I don't think there's any gravity in there, guys. That's our physics system, physics simulation system, which could be used for many things in games, simulations. It's an advanced physics system. We let it run on its own, those macro balls, and that's what happens. Python programming, physics simulation. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys next time.